How to create animation video, a step-by-step guide. Hey there, welcome back to Tech Minds. Today, we have an exciting topic, how to create animation videos. If you've ever wondered how those captivating animated videos are made, you're in for a treat. In this video, I'll be sharing a step-by-step guide on creating your very own animation videos, from concept to completion. So, let's dive right in. Step 1. It all begins with a solid plan and a clear vision. Start by defining the purpose of your animation video. It is for entertainment, education, promotion. Sketch out your ideas on a storyboard. This will help you visualize the sequence of scenes and transitions in your video. Once your storyboard is ready, choose the right animation software that suits your needs and level of expertise. Step number 2. Now comes the fun part. Start by creating the characters and objects that will star in your video. Use keyframes to animate your characters and objects. Keyframes define the starting and ending points of each movement, creating smooth and lifelike animations. If your animation requires narration or dialogue, it's time to record the voiceover. A clear and engaging voice can bring your characters to life and make your video more impactful. Step number 3. Don't underestimate the power of sound. Add sound effects to enhance the atmosphere and make your animation more immersive. Choose background music that complements the mood of your video. Step number 4. Spatial effects. Add transitions, particle effects, and visual enhancements. These little touches can make a big difference. Step number 5. Now that your animation is complete, it's time to review and edit your video. Fine-tune the timing, add any final touches, and ensure everything flows smoothly. Once you're satisfied with the final result, export your animation video in the desired format and resolution. Congratulations! You've successfully created your very own animation video. Now it's time to share your masterpiece with the world. Thank you for joining me today. I hope this step-by-step guide has been helpful in demystifying the process of creating animation videos. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to Tech Minds channel for more exciting content. Feel free to leave any questions or comments down below. And, as always, keep creating and exploring the wonderful world of animation. Take care and happy animating.